Hi Beam Schools. Now I want to return about my video. Nowadays I will want to make a video about plates and a bolt. First time you should make section view in the right of the column with a view using 2 point. Pick this and make some pick up 2 point in here and now we have a view in the right of the column, but this view is 3D, so you can pick 2 point, pick double click in the background, click. I will change this dip up and dip down to 500 and I change the angle from 3D to plane. Click modify. Okay, and I have this column it's like laid down, but it's okay. We just want to make some plate here. We pick these tools, this button, counter plate. This plate is like some regular plate, great cylindrical, like in the corner of plate, in the edge of what's it? Edge like that. That can be rounded, and conical band plate. There's so many tools in the Tekla 2023. I will use regular plate. Plate point 1 is to be I will input 500 millimeter and 100 millimeter, and pick this and pick middle click if you want to end this polygonal direction. Then it will be like this. You can see in the 3D view it will be here. Click Control and click middle click for rotate. This plate is position is in the middle. You can position in the middle. You can move that to front or behind. Move that front or behind. If you pick behind, it will be in the column, inside. Move inside the column. We'll pick front. Okay, and I used to cut this beam so that will not collision in the column and the plate. I will pick A view, frame A, and I will cut this. Cut. You can cut or fit part N. I will cut. I will pick up. Look at this, and then this will be cut in the end of it. You can see fit in the end of it. Okay, will change in my view. This I will make some bolt in this plate to connection to connection to the column. First time you should know what the coordinate first. This coordinate should be xy, not xz. So you can change in the view world plane using parallel to view plane and pick the background. And then you can choose the steel tab and pick bolt. Then you can change the size of bolt. So first time you should change the standard of the bolt. This some x.8 xox or a 325. In my country, actually Indonesia, or SSE, we use bolt HTB, high tension bolt. So I will use this. This is in metric, but this standard is actually in inch, but this conversion to metric. So I will pick this. I will use bolt 16 60, and then the tolerance should be 2.12 for this. There is if we equal this size, and the tolerance should be mid in 20. Oh, maybe not 20, 18. This should be 16, and this should be 18. Okay, and then I will make a distance from the X bolt. We'll drop this is bolt distance of X. I will use if this width of the flame is 100. Oh my god, I should change. Okay, if this 100, that should be 5T. If it's 5T or maybe 7 17. That's what it should be 16 maybe. And then I will pick one 100 the distance. So 100, but it will be array of the distance is 2. I will pick 2 of 100. Okay, and then we will pick main member, and then secondary member, and then pick the middle of your mouse, pick point, and then pick endpoint. Oh, this should be wrong way. It's switch. I will switch this 1000 and this 60. Pick modify. Okay, this should be okay. Okay. And then if this the distance is too far, I want to make this distance is maybe 40, maybe 5,000. It will be moving like this. As we can see in the side view, okay, this book is going connect from column to plate. It's so simple, maybe. It's so simple. If you want to change the tip of the plate, you can pick 9 maybe, or 6 maybe. And then maybe you can change the material to in this bit. It should be 40,000, 40,000. Okay, and then if this too far, there's a gap. You can move the cutting. Okay. Okay. You can change this if the distance of bolt is too far. You can change that maybe, or you can adding from 2 to 3. Yes. Okay. Maybe just like this for my video of the plate and bolt. See you next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are helped with this video. If you are. Thank you.